Hello, this is Sergio the roofer, and here, as you guys can see, we're gonna put down the Copper Valley metal and put our first row of tile. Here's the mortar fill-in for the first row. Testing it out, see if it fits. Looks clean. Next, we're gonna put the second row of the tile, bottom tile, and foam it down as well with the A and B adhesive foam for tile bonding. Here we got the top cap, cap of the tile installed all the way down, straight lines. Love it. More of the mortar drying up. Here we got the installation of the tile at the transition valley of the flat roof with the slope roof. The continuation of the first row, but these are the tiny cuts, so we gotta be extra careful with these. Beautiful clay tile roof. Here's a continuation of the mortar for the first row, letting it dry up, installing the valley cuts. Alright, as you guys can see, this is the final product of the cap and pan. We follow along. All the transitions completed.